Ja, was?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Maybe the other people are in the other meeting link or something. Is it screwed up again? Because this can't be everybody.
I'm not
Could be,
sure.
yeah.
Maybe Anna will know.
I just wrote her.
Hello, my Zoom was crazy today.
Hi there.
Hey.
Should we wait for Giovanni?
I
Which
don't think
one?
he's gonna join.
He's not
Yeah.
joining.
He's not joining
Okay.
today.
He's in another meeting. Yeah.
Oh, then let's start. I will copy the document in the chat. If you want to add your name and start that, we see only Moritz and Wilfried. So, we have a cool, great news, which is we just released the 08 for KLT. The release has quite a lot of changes, so I put a few helpful links in the agenda if you want to check for the main changes. We do have a few breaking changes regarding the operator. There is been basically two things added: the possibility to have a Python runner instead of a JavaScript runner for task, and the possibility to specify your own custom container to run a task. And for this reason, we did a bit of renaming, and we have deprecated the usage of a function in the task definition in favor of distinction between Deno, Python, or the container. If you want to have a little bit more information on this, we have the page describing the task in the documentation for the release 8. And we have the updated page describing the task definition, which is this one. And in the page with the Keptn task definition, we have the examples on how to use the Python runtime and how to use the container runtime. For the Python runner, basically this is exactly identical as for the function. For the Deno one, just we have the Python keyword at the beginning, but then we have inline, HTTP ref, function ref, config map, same as we always had. And for the container runtime, this is basically an embedded Kubernetes container inside the spec of the task. This means you can exactly run one container in the task, and you can pass to it environment variables. And of course, there are some limitations. This is especially true for volumes. Right now, you can only load one mtdir, and this will be done out of the box according to what are the information of the mtdir that we provide inside the container spec. If you want to see examples on how to use both, we do have not only them listed here in the documentation, but we also have a working example for both containers and for the Python runtime in the samples folder. So lifecycle toolkit example sample. In the base, we have the container task and the Python task. These have been added to the whole example. So if you run the example like usual with a make file, you will be able to see what happens with the container or with the Python task definition. This is everything that comes to mind important from the release V8. Is there something I missed maybe? Or
Flo, what's the limitation that's gone away for the length of something?
That's regarding the length of the application name. So previously we had some of them in place where I think the apps were not allowed to be longer than 25 characters long. That's gone now. So now the only limit of the names for applications, workloads, and whatnot is the length of Kubernetes objects, which is 253 characters.
yeah, there was a contributor having problem with this, and now this is solved, right? I think we already answered him. Yeah, maybe I will link here later the issue.
By unlimited, we mean 253.
It's a big number. That's unlimited.
Virtually unlimited.
It's virtually
We all had our
unlimited. We
pointer
just
there, I
cut
gotcha.
it behind the scene. Yeah. I also added that we had another community contribution from Geoffrey. He added the decoder and removed the injection we had before in the code. I am not aware of other community contribution, but let's spend a second to say thank you to all of the contributors. I saw something on the documentation as well, probably Mac, you remember?
Oh, yes, and I'm losing track of what's been merged.
Yeah.
We do have some work in the contributing guide that I think Natish did, and something else.
Yeah, there have been some minor things such as typo and whatnot, and
Right.
this is always nice that the documentation is getting better. Thanks to everybody. I don't think we have any other news for today. Is there any topic the community wants to speak about?
I have one more thing to mention for the
Yeah.
release. We also released a new Helm chart. It's version 0.2.4, which in turn has the latest version of KLT inside. I added the link as the second one here.
Thanks for mentioning that more. Whatever happened. Anything else? I remember also that Rashid, you had your talk already. This was successful as far as I understood.
Can you repeat?
You had your talk.
Oh, I had on this Saturday, and it went well.
And will we get the
The-
video soon?
Yeah, they said they'll provide it in the coming few weeks.
That's cool. And we will share it with everybody as soon as we have it. Congrats.
Yes, Andy
Thank
said
you.
he's burning up Twitter, so big hit.
Okay, if nobody has anything else, should we end it here?
I don't know, does Stacy have anything to tell us? And she's, hi,
Yeah,
Stacy.
right. Hi, Stacy.
Hey, everybody. I am a bit behind on the newsletter. But I'm planning on getting it out this week. So, this is great that I'll add the new release to that. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know that I have massive updates at the moment.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, good. Then I guess we can stop the recording for today and we meet next week.
Sounds good. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks,
Thank
everybody.
you. Ciao.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Thanks, bye.